Today we are reviewing the SanDisk Ultra Dual USB Drive 3.0 flash drive for Android smartphones. Free up space on your OTG enabled Android devices. 32 gigabytes, speeds up to 150 megabytes per second. To transfer files from drive to computer, it has, I believe, a USB micro adapter for older Android phones. The newer ones use USB-C, and it has a USB 3.0 port. So one side's the USB, one side's the phone port. The back of the box, if I can get some of this clearly, I'm not going to read it all. Just pause the video and read that as best as you can. We're getting to the opening part. She is testing this out on a Samsung Galaxy S6 by Metro PCS, because my phone uses USB-C. Look at that thing. Look at how small it is. That's what you have to expect. So, look, yeah, that's cool. It's got a USB. I don't know how you get the USB out. There's a switch on the side of it. You push it up, and you get one end, the USB micro, that fits in an older Galaxy phone. You plug it in like that, and then you'll get a notification, and you swipe down, I think, whatever that says, SanDisk, and it'll take you to My Files. So, you go to your internal storage on My Files, and then find DCIM on your phone. You click that, you go to Camera, and then you pick whatever picture and long press it. You'll get a check mark or something, and then click the three dots on the top right. You click Move, and then you see that internal storage versus USB. You click USB storage. Then you click Done, and then it moves the file to your USB, and then you can unplug it from your phone. There's no eject button on this. And then you move it into your computer, into a USB port, and you just copy it over. You can put movies on the flash drive, plug it into your phone, and play movies and pictures and music directly from the USB plugged into your phone and computer. Doesn't really matter. Like, works either way. Transfer songs over to either one. You can play it just directly from it, or you can transfer it over to your phone. If that makes any sense at all, because I flubbed it entirely. And she's showing you how easy it is to flick the switch. So it was $16 after tax. It was $14.35 before tax. So, and we got it at Walmart.